Here we have a 22 plate Ford Transit Custom 300 Eco Blue Trail. Now this vehicle comes with the 16-inch gloss black alloy wheels, as you can see just down there. We also have the grey matte exterior paintwork, LED daytime running headlights. We've got the Raptor style Ford front grille. As a look at that front end, making our way around to the passenger side, you'll then find we have the trail stickers along the bottom of the front doors. We also have the mud flaps on this vehicle, colour coded door handles and door mirrors. Just take a look inside the back using this side door which slides. You'll find we have all these shelving inside of here. Let's close that back up and then make our way around to the back of the vehicle. You'll find we have the rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. We also have the Transit Custom badging on the left side of the door. Let's open up the back so you can see it from this angle. You'll find we have plenty of space inside of here. Taking a step back so you can see just that as well, and then a closer look again at the shelving. So closing the back doors, and then we'll make our way back round to the driver's side now, and you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look then at the front, just coming into the interior, you'll find the leather seats. We do have the odd foldable armrest here for the driver's seat as well. 3 seats inside of here. We have the electric windows and electric mirrors, automatic lights down here, multifunctional steering wheel. Let's take a seat inside. You'll find we have a USB port and a 12-volt connectivity up there. Got the dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the clutch and then turn the vehicle on. You'll find the volume buttons here on the left-hand side, along with the cruise control and speedometer there as well. Dashboard, free from any warning lights. We also have the digital speedometer in the centre. We then have the main entertainment screen just here as well. Plenty of features on here. It's currently showing the radio stations, but you'll also find that you have the Bluetooth audio just there. Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for phone calls, along with the mobile apps. Onto the settings, you'll find further features which we can scroll through, just like so. Further down from there, you've got the climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning. Again, we have another 12-volt connectivity and a USB port. 6-speed manual gearbox. If you put it into reverse, you'll find the reverse camera and rear parking sensors in the top right. Back into neutral, just like so. You also have the manual handbrake down there. Rear view camera as well up here. That's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.